Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mistake, and I'm about to do another product review on AfricanPride. Hold on y'all, hold on. I can't really, hold on y'all. There we go. That's as good as gonna get. But yeah, so I'm gonna try this out today. Hope y'all enjoy the video. Before this video gets started, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll get started.
Hurts me the most when I wake, I fumble and twist till the truth starts to click.
So y'all, I'm just gonna do like a little section so we can try out this product. So yeah, that should be good enough, y'all. What y'all think? Y'all, I'm out of breath because it's hot in here. I ain't got no fan on. Woo. My hair needs some TLC because yeah, oh Jesus. Ow. Alright y'all, here we go. So this is what it looks like in the jar. It's not as thick as I thought it would be. It feels like it's between a mixture of a, I don't know, a conditioner, but it's thicker than a conditioner. So I don't know. This is what it looks like. It feels like a lotion. That's what it feels like. Let's see if my hair like that. Let's see. Cause y'all, my hair is really picky. And it don't like a lot of products, believe it or not. And right now, my hair is acting brand new right now. So I mean, it's not bad, but then again, it's not great. So let's just try a little twist, a little twisty, and see what it do. It smells great. So I give it that. It smells great. It looks nice. Don't mind my ends, I gotta cut them. That's gonna be another video. I might record that video today or tomorrow, I don't know. I might do 2 videos in one, who knows? I don't know. So, can y'all see that? Gave it some type of shine, but honestly, it made my hair feel sticky. It's really making my hair feel sticky. And kind of heavy. So, alright y'all. So I don't really know about this product. I mean, I used it before, like I just put a little bit on in the morning before I go to work. And it made it soft throughout the day, but right now, it just feels really, really heavy and I don't know. I know I gotta cut this. I'm gonna cut these eventually. Because I don't know what the front part of my hair have some heat damage. But I'm just too scared to let it go. Because my hair is my baby. I don't know. What y'all think? I don't know. I don't think my hair like it. I don't know. I made it curly. I like that. But AfricanPride, you kind of let me down. So let's see what's in it. It has no sulfates in it. It's a leave-in cream. Now one thing it does provide moisture. And it did bring my hair to some curls. But it's just sticky and heavy. So I don't know. So yeah guys, it really did make my hair get coily. Ooh. Yes. And all I did was spray a little water and then put a little bit on my hands and just bam. Okay. So yeah, let me down. AfricanPride, y'all let me down on the stickiness. But with the curls, you know, and the, not bad. Not bad, y'all. I mean, there's really not much I can do or say about this. Alright, let me take this out, y'all. Okay. No, that's done. Alright guys, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment below what else you would like to see on this channel. Comment below what I should do next. Blase. And yeah, see y'all next time. Yeah. Love y'all. See you on the next video.
Just let me. If you just